Your first point of call when identifying a niche, I always take a very clean Google sheet, just like this. I start from my Google Sheets. Unfortunately, it's failing to load. In a spreadsheet in Google Sheets, it's still okay. I'll start with a Google Doc, not Google Sheets per se. So what I'll do is I'll open a new one. Mind you, Google Docs is free up to a certain threshold, obviously. Then give it a title, niche selection. There I go. So the first point of call is Google Trends. Go to Google Trends. I'm telling you, this will be a valuable course. You will never regret enrolling in this course because I'm sharing top secrets which no one, I believe, has shared before. Okay. What is Google Trends? Google Trends, most of you know it. It's a website that publishes trends all over the world. What's currently trending, what has been trending, in most cases, what's currently trending, and what is the history of trends in a certain market. You can see this is South Africa. You can check trends any way you want. So this is how you use Google Trends. First, I'm just checking with you trends, current trends, what's trending now. For the past 24 hours, you can use this as your source of searching for a niche. You can see it's all about soccer, rain, soccer, checkers, Man City Sailors, Manchester. As you can see, these are searches in real time that people are searching for, and it's trending on Google. Then, what you can do is choose maybe say you want to start in automotive. In most cases, product related niches, they might not have trends in the trend data in 24 hours. So you might say then for the past 7 days. But the advice is not just to find trendy stuff. It's all about niching down, but finding evergreen products. I'll tell you what is an evergreen product. An evergreen product is a product that will sell all year round. It depends with what you want. You might want trending products, but the problem with trends is that sometimes trends finish. So, but if you have an evergreen product, you are good to go. So let's do 7 days. In category, you can say in vehicles and automotive, you can see that Toyota Hilux Legend 55, South Africa is trending. It's been trending. If you want to sell vehicles, this means if you base your website around the Legend 5, you will definitely win. But we are not in automotive. We're going to try to search for products and services. We're going to do, let's see, leisure. Okay, let's just try to. Let's see shopping. Maldives, I don't know this. Let's see what it is. Pirate. So Maldives is a country. Maldives country in South Africa. What's this? The Maldives, officially the Republic of Maldives, and historically known as Maldives Island, is in archipelagic country in South Asia. Which means maybe people in South Africa are actively maybe doing bookings to this country. Meaning, if you want to do a bookings website, it could be a very good target niche. Let's go to, this is just a hint, this is just the first thing. We're going to explore quite a number of options when regards to choosing a niche. Then let's do research, keyword search. I've discovered that there is a niche of hiking shoes, which is boots. Let's say you already have a passion in you and you want to check what it's doing, but mind you, don't use your heart here. You must use your mind. Hiking boots. So let's do the past month. As you see, there's no data. Past 30 days. This is web search. You can check on YouTube, Google Shopping, especially. That's what we want to target. Gauteng means there's a lot of search on Gauteng. In Gauteng. Let's see website. You can see that it has been having hits. Then these are the related queries. Cape Union Mart, Timberland, ID boots. You see, now we're getting into the bonds. And if it's written breakout, it means it's really being searched. So really, it is at its peak. So Timberland hiking boots. Copy. Paste it in here. I go back again. I want to check as much as I can. Hiking shoes for women. Hiking shoes for women. Which means niching down helps you really to address one thing. And that leads to profitability in e-commerce. Why? If you try to do multiple products which are not related, in most cases you won't be able to find success.